Hello everybody, it is your girl Bria Van Kooten and I am back with a new video. As you guys can read by the title, we are doing an unboxing video today. Unboxing, review, first reaction. Yeah, so I'm filming 3 separate videos right now. It's gonna be 3 different unboxings, so stay tuned for them in a row. But yeah, this first one we're gonna start off with today, I'm super excited about. So if you guys want to see what I copped, hear what I have to say, see my reaction to seeing it in person for the first time, yeah, let's get into the video. Hello everybody, it's your girl Bria Van Kooten and I am back with a new video. So I'm sure you guys are surprised. You're like, what? I'm seeing Bria on a Wednesday? Yes, so I changed my YouTube schedule. I usually post on Friday, as most of you guys may know if you've been following my channel for a while. I usually post my YouTube videos on Friday and I usually post my blog posts on Wednesdays. But I switched it up. I wanted to switch in my schedule to see, you know, let's switch it up. I've been doing Friday videos since I started posting on YouTube for a while now, so I'm like, let me switch it up a little bit. So new YouTube videos every Wednesday and new blog posts on my blog, www.briascloset.com, closet with a K, new blog posts on Sundays. So yeah, we just flipped the script real quick. So yeah, here on Sundays. So yeah, so the first one, as you guys can read by the title, we are doing a Jordans Off-White, Jordans UNC unboxing, sneaker unboxing. I am so excited, so hyped right now to open this package and see these shoes. I've been wanting these shoes for a while now. Like, they released last year. They originally were $180. I missed the release, and then of course it was reselling. They had 2 releases and I missed both. Like, I was so mad because I just kept seeing them everywhere and I'm like, I need these. But the reselling price on these babies were crazy. They were like, I saw something for $2,000. I saw the one for $1,500, $1,300, $1,200, $1,000. It was crazy and I was like, I cannot see myself spending over $1,000 on Jordans. Even though it's a collab with Off-White, I just couldn't see myself. But 2.5 weeks ago, I went on GOAT and I saw a really good deal that I could not pass up, and it was $680, which is still kind of pricey and it's still kind of a lot. From $180 to $680, it's a $500 difference. So, well, it was $680 plus tax and shipping and all that stuff, so it was a little bit over $700. But yeah, still kind of pricey, but definitely better than $2,000 or $1,500 and all that. And I want these so bad. Like, you guys don't even understand. Every time I saw them, I was just like, I yelled at my screen because I wanted these so bad. So I finally bit the bullet and I spent the money on them because I was like, Bria, you're gonna keep thinking about these until you get them. So shout out to GOAT. This video is not sponsored by GOAT, but shout out to them because that's where I got them from. And shout out to y'all for having this bomb ass deal, good price that I saw. So yeah, I'm excited to get into this package because I've been waiting for these. I have so many outfits in mind and planned that I want to do with this, and I haven't had Jordans. I haven't bought Jordans in a while. It's sealed. I'm about to open it now. I haven't had Jordans in a while. Like, the last time I think I bought a pair of Jordans for myself was probably in 2012. I bought the 7s, the Raptors, and then before that I bought the 4s. Or the last one was the 4s. The last 2 Jordans I remember buying was a pair of 7s and a pair of 4s. The bread 4s. Yeah, I brought the bread 4s. That's the last 2 pair of Jordans, and that was a while ago. and I haven't seen any Jordans that I really was feeling I really wanted, but I did know that I wanted some ones, and it was either between these or the Aleli May collab, and I was about to cop the Aleli May ones, and then I was like, then I saw these and I was like, oh nah, I need these. So yeah, so like I said, I got it from GOAT verified and all that. So this is my first time ordering from GOAT for myself. My brother has ordered some sneakers from GOAT last summer, so I knew they were trustworthy and they were good. I only ordered from StockX, and I've got sneakers from Flight Club. So yeah. Thumbnail. All right, so we got the Nike. I just opened the box by accident. I saw them. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm so excited. Alright, so we got the Nike box. Got the 1985 Air Jordan 1s. Air Jordan 1s, off-white. So yeah, I got a men's 5.5, which is a women's 7, a UK 5. So yeah, I'm a 7 in women's, so that's what I got. Oh my god. They're so beautiful. Hey baby. Oh my god. They're so bomb. I'm really about to cry, you guys. Y'all don't even understand. Hold on. I'm about to cry. Alright, so we got the GOAT sticker, of course, verified. We out here. Ah! Yo. Oh my gosh, these are so bomb, y'all. This tag, like, guys, like, y'all don't even know how hyped I am right now. Like, I want to scream. All right, so yeah, you guys know the Virgil tag, the off-white tag. He has them on all his sneakers. Excited about that. This little detail is just everything. I love like little just details on stuff, and this is just exciting and different, like different, like so different. Nobody's doing these little tags like that, so I love that. You got the air on the side, we got the blue, we got the orange detailing. So these are the extra lacings. We got white lacings, we got orange, and then we got blue, so you could change it up and switch it up. And all the lacings have shoelaces on it. You know, Virgil, he likes to add like words on his clothes and stuff. That's like his little signature, how you know it's him. So yeah, and then we got off-white for Nike Air Jordan 1s. You know, you guys see these before, you guys know what it is. I love this blue. This blue is so fire with this orange. Like, I'm gonna put the orange laces in. Like, let's look at this side. The blue with the orange is just so bomb and so fire. Oh my god, like the vibrancy, the colors, the outfits that I'm gonna put together with these. Guys, stay tuned. Follow me on IG at Bria Van Cooten. Stay tuned for the looks because it's coming. I'm super excited about these. I already know the looks that I'm about to put together is about to be crazy. So yeah, like I said, these retail for $180. I paid $740. So yeah, I paid $740. I'm gonna link some other options in the description box from GOAT and from StockX and from other websites if you guys want to cop these. I don't know what you guys are about to pay. Like I said, I got a little good deal because I just was randomly searching and it popped up and I was like, okay, let me cop these right now. So yeah, so I'm super excited. I'm about to try these on. I'm gonna show you guys how they look on my feet. So yeah guys, so they're super comfortable. I still have them on my feet. I have to relace them because kind of laced up kind of wrong, because I guess they just was lacing it up and just doing the box. But yes, I'm super excited. I'm super satisfied. Again, shout out to GOAT. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Again, I'm gonna link in the description box a couple other options, a couple other links and all of that, so you guys can check that out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace, love.